Use the graph of the known basic function and a combination of horizontal and vertical shifts to sketch the function. Our function is h of x equals square root of x minus 1 plus 1. Now this is the graph of f of x equals square root x. That's the basic graph. Notice that it doesn't have this minus 1 and the plus 1. It only has the square root of x. This is what the picture looks like, but I want to make sure you understand where this picture comes from. It comes from plotting points. If you choose some x values, plug them into that function square root of x, you'll get the y values and get this picture. For this function, because it's square root, we want to take the square root of only positive values or 0, so I'll start with 0. And then when I choose my positive values, I don't have to, but I want to choose values of x that it's easy for me to take the square root of, that I don't need a calculator for. So numbers like that are perfect squares, like 1. Square root of 1 will be 1. Square root of 0 will be 0. Then maybe 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. And then 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So you can see on our picture here, 0, 0 is that first ordered pair, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. And so once we get those points, we connect those points with a straight, not a straight line, a curve to see the pattern, and you get that picture. Now, what we want to do is with this minus 1 and plus 1, this minus 1 and plus 1, that changes the graph. It's going to shift the graph horizontally and vertically to a new position. So let's go one by one. This minus 1 that's inside, that minus 1 is a horizontal shift. I know it's a horizontal shift because it's inside the radical. And I know it's a horizontal shift because it's subtraction. So the subtraction part is what makes it the shift, and the fact that it's inside is what makes it horizontal. And then because it's a minus 1, a minus moves to the right. And we're going to go to the right one. The plus 1 is also a shift. Shifting is when you have any adding or subtracting. So I know because I'm adding, it's a shift. Because that plus 1 is outside the radical, I know it's vertical. So because that plus 1 is outside of the radical, it's a vertical shift. Now because it's a plus, it's going to go up 1 unit. So I want to take my graph and I'm going to move all the points to the right 1 and up 1 to get the new graph. So if I do that, to the right 1 and up 1, my picture would move like this. So we would get this answer. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.